Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to be showing you guys 10 things that you don't know that you can do in SketchUp. So without wasting much of your time, let's proceed.
If you actually, let's say, the way you paint in SketchUp is that you click on this thing, this place, then you apply material like this. But instead, let's assume that you want to replace every material that is looking like this in this group, in this place. So the way that you're going to do it is you just click on this paint bucket, then you are going to now hold Control, then paint it like this. You see now that it has replaced everything that is like that material. So that's very simple. Some people don't know this. So the second thing I want to be doing is if you actually want to bezel this edge, just click on erase, then click on Control, then you are now going to use it to erase it like this. Then this edge, you see that this edge has it has bezeled, it has removed that edge, that straight and sharp edge. So I'll just go ahead and undo that. So now the third thing I want to show you guys is if I actually click on P to push and pull, then I push like this. I push like, let's say, okay, let me not push this place, let me push the air, then I push like, let me push like 50. If I push 50 mm, then I now notice that this 50 mm is not enough. Instead of me to now click on push again, then be inputting the amount I want to push again, so I will not do anything. I will just enter 100 mm. You see that it has changed it. It has adjusted it without even reactivating this push and pull tool. So I don't need to be pushing, and you understand that. So just input. If I input 1000 is going to, you see, it's going to just be adjusting. It's just going to go ahead and do what you want it to do without you activating the tool again and again. So now another thing I want, some people don't know that I want to show you in this video. So I don't know why this thing is okay. Maybe it's because of the geometry. So it's the follow me tool. You know, some people, when they want to use follow me tool, they do like this. They actually create a profile like this. Let's say they want to maybe do a kind of a follow me on this fence now. Then they will now do draw a rectangle like this. Then they will now click on follow me, this follow me tool. Then they will now use it to be dragging like this. They will now drag manually like this. But instead of you doing that, the another way to do it is to just first of all click on the path. Click on the path where you want it to follow, then click on this tool, then I'm going to click on this one too. So now if I now click on the follow me tool, just wait and see what I'm trying to do. If I click on this follow me tool, then I click on this profile, now you see that it will follow through every path that I've selected. You see? So instead of you to be dragging it manually like that, you can just do it this way. All right. So another thing I want to show you guys is how to move things in multiple mode. Some people, when they want to move, they just click on this. Let's say I want to move this leg, or I want to make a copy of this. Then they want to make a copy of this. Then they click on it. Then they try to copy. But the way you copy in SketchUp is that you actually press on Control, then you move it like this. You see that it has created a copy of this. But some people, they used to look for copy tool in order to copy. So it's very simple. Just click on it, then click on M or click on the move tool, then click on control. You see that the icon has changed. If I click on control again, you see that it is in move mode. If I click on control again, it is in copy mode now. So if I copy like this, then it has copied. So another thing that some people you don't like know how to do, this is the fifth tip now, is that if they want to make a multiple copy of this now, they hold control again, then they make multiple copy, hold control again, make multiple copies. But instead of you to do that, just click on it like this, then click on M to move, then click on your control, then you are going to now move copy it like this. Then I will now input 5x, and it's going to make a 5 copy of this. So instead of me to be copying it manually, it's going to do. So in case this 5 is not enough, I don't need to even reactivate the tool and try it the same steps again. I just need to write 10x, enter. You see, it has. If I need more, maybe I need 20, I will just write 20x. So just make sure that you don't deactivate the tool until you start writing all those 20x and 20. So since I don't need it, I will just delete it. So now this is the sixth tip I want to show you guys that some people don't know how to do. So the sixth tip is, some people, when they want to move, like they want to arrange some things in SketchUp, they do like this, like they manually do it. So let's assume that I want these trees, I want it to follow, like I want it to be on array, like to this place, from this place to this place. What I need to do simply is to just click on this move tool, then I'm going to click on control, then I'm going to move like this, move it to this place. Now if I want it to be arranged in this way too, I want this place to be filled with this tree. So all I need to do is to just click on divided by that slash, then I'm going to input how many trees I want it to be in this place, this middle. So I'll just go ahead and maybe 10 and enter. For some reason, I don't know why it did not work, so I'll just do it again. Click on this, then move, control, then I'm going to, maybe that 10 is too much, so I'm going to move it like this. I'm going to write divided by, let's say 5, enter. You see now, okay, maybe it's because it's too much. So if let me use divided by 7. So just play with it and make sure you do not deactivate the 2. Divided by 9, you see. Now, okay, let me try divided by 10 now and see what it's going to do. Okay, it's maybe I make a mistake before, so it actually worked. This is 10, so I think we are good to go. So now another thing I want to show you, this is the I think 8th or 7th tips now I want to show you guys, is if you want to rotate in SketchUp, all you have to do is to click on this and click on the rotate. Then you are now going to place it where, like the plane of where you want to rotate it. If you want to rotate it maybe on the side, you are going to make this tool to be like this. I'm going to make it to be vertical, not staying on the ground. So but in this case I want to be doing something like this. So then I'm going to, you are going to click, just notice you are going to click like this, then you are going to drag. Now if I click again, now this is where 0 degrees start from. If I click again like this, that's where 0 degrees starts from. So if I now move my mouse like this, I'm increasing the degree. So I'll just go ahead and click on control to make a copy, because I want to make a copy of this. Then click on, then I'm going to left click. So now if I want it to be in a rotational motion, I want these trees to like be in a rotational rotational arrangement. So I will just click on 9x and make a 9 copy of it. You see, this is what I'm talking about. Now some people, when they want to do it before, they will need to manually arrange these trees, but now we have done it as quick as you have seen. So that's very simple and very simple to do. All right, so another thing I want to show you guys is some people, they don't know how to do all these LED lights. So what LED light means basically is you are going to first of all create something like a hole. You are going to cut, like you are going to create something like this on the surface where you want the LED light to be. Then when you want to render, I think this is mostly in rendering software, but some people would think it's just in the rendering software that you used to do it. But I'm now saying it now that you first of all create something like this in your SketchUp. You see that it is a bezel. I cut it inside. Now then you are now going to place a material to hit a whole different material that is different from every materials in this project. All right, then you are now going to apply a light material to it when you are rendering, so that it will now show a light. So that's about that. All right. So another thing, this is the ninth or I think the 10th things I want to show you guys now is when you set a scene like this. Let me show this is the scene one. When you set a scene like this, then you want to, some people don't know how to update scenes in SketchUp. Let's say you don't like these scenes again, then you will now do it like this. So instead of you to come to this place, it's loading. I don't know why this, maybe it's because I'm screen recording, but because SketchUp doesn't used to do like this. Okay, so now when assuming that your scene, you want your scene to be like this now, all right, you don't need to come under this place, then go to this scenes, then you now click on this plus sign to add another scene. You don't need to do that. All you need to do is to just click on this first scene, then you are now going to click on updates. Just click on the update so that it will update to this type of scene. So that's just that about that. So people don't know how to do that. All right, so another thing I want to be showing you guys in this is when you are working in SketchUp and you see that your workflow is slow, like the file is becoming too big, especially for those of you that are using a low-end PC. So I've brought a solution for you. Just go under this place, then look for styles, look for these styles. Under these styles, then you are now going to click on edit. It's going to be like this before, so just click on this edit. Then under this edit, you are going to uncheck this profiles, uncheck these profiles. All right, so that's why that's why it is even hanging the other time. So uncheck this profile, then click on this update, click on this update style to update it. Now you see that it's more smooth. Now if I want to do anything, it's more smooth. So it's not going to affect your rendering. It's not going to affect your rendering output. So just for you to be able to work freely. So if you find all these tips helpful, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share and comment. If you want if you have any question or any problem that you want me to make a video on, just drop it in the comment section. I would love to read your comments, so just give a comment so that I will know what you are battling with in SketchUp, then I will make a video for you. So you can reach out to me on WhatsApp, or my email is in the description of this video, and subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that when I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to see it.